Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sandbox in Cities Skylines 2. First, enable developer mode in the game settings. This unlocks powerful creative tools. Then, start a new game and select your preferred map. Sandbox mode grants you unlimited funds, and all city development milestones are instantly achieved. This allows you to build anything you desire, from massive infrastructure to intricate neighborhoods, without financial worries or feature unlocks. It's perfect for pure creativity and experimentation. In Sandbox mode, you have access to every single building, road type, and service right from the start. This includes advanced utilities, unique buildings, and specialized zones. You can place down a massive airport or a complex highway interchange on day one. Feel free to experiment with various city layouts and designs, knowing that financial limitations are completely removed. This freedom allows for truly ambitious and imaginative urban planning. Beyond basic building, Sandbox mode offers advanced options to fine-tune your experience. You can easily toggle environmental conditions, changing the weather from sunny to rainy or adjusting the time of day. This helps visualize your city in different moods. Furthermore, you can modify game speed and simulation parameters to observe how your city functions under various conditions. The powerful terrain tools also allow you to sculpt mountains, dig valleys, and create custom waterways with precision. To maximize your Sandbox experience, focus on pure creativity. Without economic pressure, you can prioritize aesthetic design and efficient traffic flow. Try out different district specializations, like a sprawling industrial hub or a vibrant downtown core, and place unique buildings strategically. Don't be afraid to experiment with unconventional layouts or grand architectural visions. Sharing your amazing Sandbox creations with the city's Skylines community can also provide inspiration and valuable feedback for your next project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.